Looking for ultimate outdoor relaxation? The top 5 best zero-gravity chair in this year is designed to cradle your body, reduce pressure, and enhance comfort. Perfect for lounging, camping, or patio use, this chair brings unmatched support and a weightless experience anywhere you sit. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Suteck Zero Gravity Chair. The Suteck Zero Gravity Chair is an excellent choice for those seeking a combination of durability, comfort, and premium materials. Built with thick 40mm steel tubing, this chair offers incredible stability and can withstand up to 500 pounds, making it a dependable option for heavier users. Unlike flimsy plastic jigs or standard recliners, this model provides a wobble-free experience, ideal for outdoor patio relaxation. The upgraded Texlan fabric paired with double elastic straps ensures a breathable yet supportive seating surface, while the removable cushions add extra softness and seasonal flexibility. One of the standout features is the upgraded aluminum alloy lock that securely holds the chair in any position between 90 degrees and 170 degrees. The deeper 8mm grooves make it safer and more reliable compared to older models with weaker locking systems. Ergonomics are central to the design, with full reclining capabilities that effectively relieve pressure on the shoulders, back, and lower spine. The detachable headrest allows for tailored comfort, while the 4-inch thick cushion enhances relaxation, making long lounging sessions more enjoyable. Added practicality comes from a multifunctional cup holder, perfect for keeping beverages, phones, or keys within reach. With its ability to elevate up to 20 inches off the ground, this chair achieves a true zero-gravity angle that promotes a stress-free, weightless feel. Whether used for napping outdoors, reading on the patio, or even for peaceful stargazing, the Suteck Zero Gravity Chair provides a premium experience. Number 2. Nestl Zero Gravity Chair. The Nestl Zero Gravity Chair is designed for those who value portability, comfort, and convenience in outdoor seating. This extra-wide padded recliner smoothly transitions from an upright position to fully reclined, responding naturally to your body's weight. It locks securely at your preferred angle, offering a weightless position that alleviates stress on the spine and muscles. The plush padding, combined with adjustable backrest and footrest features, creates a truly comfortable lounging experience whether you're at home, by the pool, or at a sporting event. One of the chair's biggest strengths lies in its convenience and portability. Arriving pre-assembled, it saves time and hassle, and its folding design allows easy transport to the beach, park, or even camping trips. Despite being lightweight, the chair's alloy steel frame and high-density Oxford fabric ensure durability and resistance to outdoor elements. The ergonomic armrests and removable headrest add to its comfort, while the water-resistant construction guarantees longevity. Another highlight is the detachable tray, which includes 2 cup holders, a phone slot, and even a tablet holder, allowing you to keep essentials close at hand while relaxing. With a 330-pound weight capacity, this model supports a wide range of users comfortably. Its dimensions provide ample seating space, while remaining easy to store when folded flat. The Nestl Zero Gravity Chair strikes a balance between comfort and practicality, making it especially appealing to people who frequently move their lounge setup or enjoy outdoor gatherings. Number 3. ZENPETIO Zero Gravity Chair. The ZENPETIO Zero Gravity Chair is a standout option for those who want to experience maximum comfort with sturdy support and flexibility. Its design allows for a full range of reclining angles from 90 degrees to 170 degrees, giving users the ability to find their perfect zero-gravity position. This weightless angle reduces spinal strain and promotes overall relaxation, making it ideal for both leisure time and stress relief. The chair is built with a strong aluminum alloy locking mechanism that ensures stability even on uneven outdoor surfaces like grass, sand, or patios. Combined with its reinforced steel frame and dual-layer elastic ropes, the ZENPETIO chair supports up to 500 pounds, making it one of the strongest options available for larger users. Comfort is further elevated with removable plush cushions that provide softness and breathability, adaptable for both indoor and outdoor use. A detachable headrest and footrest allow for customizable lounging, ensuring you can set it up exactly to your preference. Despite its durable construction, this chair remains highly portable, folding flat in seconds without the need for assembly. Whether you're setting it up in your backyard, at the beach, or even indoors for reading, it transforms any space into a relaxation spot instantly. Its versatility makes it suitable for garden parties, camping, or simply winding down after a long day. Number 4. Best Choice Products Zero Gravity Chair. The Best Choice Products Zero Gravity Chair is an excellent option for those who want a combination of comfort, convenience, and portability at an affordable price point. Designed with weather-resistant polyester fabric, the chair conforms comfortably to your body, offering a relaxing and supportive seating experience. The extra-wide 24-inch padded seat makes it a suitable option for extended lounging, while the included adjustable headrest provides additional neck support. With a 300-pound weight capacity, it accommodates most users while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. The chair's folding design makes it highly portable, perfect for use at the beach, park, tailgate, or simply at home on the patio. Its lockable reclining system smoothly adjusts into an ergonomic zero-gravity position, distributing body weight evenly to reduce strain on the back and legs. The elastic cord system adds flexibility and support, enhancing overall comfort. One of the key practical features is the detachable side tray, which comes equipped with 2 cup holders, a phone mount, and even a tablet holder, ensuring you have everything you need within reach while relaxing. Measuring 46 inches long, 29 inches wide, and 40 inches high, it provides ample space while maintaining easy foldability for storage. This chair is particularly appealing to those who value simplicity and convenience, offering a good balance of comfort and function. Number 5. Suteck 29-inch XL Zero Gravity Chair. The Suteck 29-inch XL Zero Gravity Chair is designed to provide an oversized and supremely comfortable seating option, ideal for users who prefer extra space and durability. Built with thickened 40mm steel tubing, it offers exceptional stability and supports up to 440 pounds, making it more robust than many standard models. The upgraded Texlan fabric paired with breathable mesh ensures ventilation, while the removable soft cushions enhance comfort, making this chair suitable for year-round use. What sets this model apart is its third-generation upgraded aluminum alloy locking system. This feature allows smooth adjustment between 90 degrees and 170 degrees reclining angles while securely holding the chair in place with its deeper grooves. Compared to older 2mm plastic or aluminum buckles, this 8mm locking design offers greater durability and safety, ensuring you can fully relax without worry. The ergonomic full-back design, combined with an adjustable headrest and non-slip footrest, reduces pressure on the shoulders, back, and waist, making it perfect for long lounging sessions or even naps. Additional thoughtful accessories include an eye mask and earplugs, which help create an ideal environment for peaceful sleep, whether outdoors or indoors. The detachable 4-inch thick cushion adds softness while allowing good airflow during warmer months. A large multifunctional cup holder enhances practicality, providing space for water bottles, phones, keys, or even small bags. With its XL size, plush comfort, and sturdy build, the Suteck 29-inch XL Zero Gravity Chair is an outstanding option for those seeking a luxurious, stress-free, lounging experience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.